Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a brand new Facebook account. If you find this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Let's move directly to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Facebook application on your device, wait for a few seconds to load, and then click on Create New Account. After that, click on Create Account manually. Now simply click on the Get Started button, and then you have to enter your first name and surname. Next, click on Next. After that, set your date of birth, which must be older than 18 years, and then click on Next. Here, select your gender and again click on Next. Now here you have two options. Either you can use your email or mobile number to create your account. I am using my email to create my Facebook account. After entering your email or mobile number, click on the Next button. This is the most important step. Here you have to create a strong password, which is a combination of numbers, letters, symbols, and special characters that nobody can guess. After creating your password, make sure to take a screenshot, which will help you log in the future, and then click on the Next button. Now, if the Google Password Manager pop-up option is showing, you should click on the Save button, and then again click on Save if you want to remain logged into this device. After that, click on the I agree button and wait for some time. Now click on Add Picture to set your Facebook profile picture from your gallery. After selecting your picture, adjust it and then simply click on Done. Now, if you want to find your friends and family on Facebook, click on Turn On, but I don't want to upload my contacts on Facebook, so I will click on Not Now and then click on Skip on this pop-up page. Now, if you have uploaded your contacts, you will see many friend suggestions. You may follow your friends, but I have not uploaded my contacts. That's why no friend suggestions are showing, so simply click on the Next button. Alright, friends, all steps have been completed, and the Facebook account has been created successfully. If you have any queries left, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a good day.